All right, over to our pride and joy here. 2017 Indian Scout. I went to take it for a ride yesterday and the battery was dead flat. So put it on charge overnight and gonna test the battery. I'll put it back in, see if it's any good or it needs replacing. And also thought we'd throw on the little shorties mufflers there and do a bit of a decibel comparison between the two, the original pipes and the little shorties. So yeah, this poor thing doesn't get ridden much. It's what's that, 8 years old, and it's only done 4,000 kilometers, so time to get back on it. Anyway, I'll throw the battery in and we'll test it and see how we go. Okay, got the multimeter hooked up to the battery. Let's see how many volts it drops to when we hit that start button. Alright, well that's good news. The battery is still okay. So I don't have to put a new one in yet. I just need to ride it a little more often so it doesn't go flat. Alright, now we'll just move it into a bit better position and we'll see what decibel reading we get out of these original pipes. Although I did drill out the rear baffle, so it's not completely original or standard. But anyway, let's get into it. Alrighty. Got the meter set up and I will go and start the bike and we will come back and see what we have. Oh, look at that dust. Alright, let's bang those shorties on. They warm up pretty quick, don't they? Okay, shorties are on. Already a big difference in looks, and also the weight. The weight of those original mufflers is incredible. These two little shorties weigh less than one of the other mufflers, which is crazy. But anyway, let's start her up and see the difference. Wow, that's a massive difference, and I think I can remember why I took them off when I first got it. Man, that's loud. That is so ridiculously loud. What to do?